to our channel. I am here with a brand new unit. I am serving you all today. First of all, if you have not already, jump down, like, subscribe, comment, join our girl gang, okay? We are changing the world one good wig at a time, honey. And I am back with a unit from Hair Shop So Fly. They provided us with a brand new unit from BOBBI Boss. Y'all know I have a love-hate relationship with BOBBI Boss, but I am in love. This is the lace front 13x7 Lara, L-A-R-A, okay? She is a secret lace natural custom plucked hairline wig series, all right? She comes with custom baby hairs, and you can part her side part or middle part. I have her in the middle part now. And this is for glueless wear. So I don't know if the girls over there at Hair Shop So Fly is, or Hair So Fly Shop is listening to the kid. Girls over there at Hair So Fly Shop is listening to the kid, because y'all know I cannot stand gluing on no goddamn wigs, okay? So it's like one of my pet peeves, and it's partially because I'm a real working girl. Like, and I like a slap on and go, okay? That's the lifestyle I'm living right now, and judge your mother, not me. So I'm gonna snatch her off just to give you guys a better look. Okay, so this is her on the inside. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps for kind of forever, okay? This is the hairline and the baby hairs. Look at this color, guys. So the color is TT861327. Did I say that? Yep. TT861327. I just jumped up on y'all so y'all can actually see what was going on with her. So since she is a glueless unit, guess what I ain't gonna do? Glue the bitch on. So give me a second. I'm gonna style her and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and in true me fashion, I did not do a damn thing to this wig. I slapped up on my head. Well, I guess that's not true. In true me fashion, I did a little bit of work to this wig. I did flatten her out at the top. I added Pro Girl concealer to the part, okay, which is a very, very generous part. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I love the wave on this. This is very me. It's very black girl blonde. It's very all the things that I love. Wavy hair and everything like that. Very effortless. I like that you don't have to cut the lace. I mean, excuse me. I like that you don't have to glue your lace down. That's like a real big part for me. A big selling point for me. This unit is big head friendly. I put this thing on and the wind blew and it almost went with it. So I don't, you know, I would actually recommend gluing this unit down, although you don't have to. I don't have it glued down right now at all. You don't have to, but I do think I would recommend it for you know, it's going on 2020. It's a lot of things we doing, and losing wigs ain't one of them. Okay, that should be like my slogan for president. Y'all hear what I'm saying? What I'm getting at is that this unit, let me turn around. I love the wave, okay? Full disclosure, she tangles a bit. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like BOBBI Boss always comes through with the curl patterns and the bomb lace, and then for some reason the hair falls short. And today that's exactly what happened. The hair, I had this hair out the pack, no lie. I just opened this wig. It's only been out of the pack for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So as underwhelmed as I am by that, I do feel like this is a fantastic stinking unit. And I love the color, y'all know I love the color. And I'm tan, I'm real tan. I know y'all can tell I'm tan, but like this, I just don't like how wiry it's starting to look. And she, oh my goodness, y'all, she is shedding. You know what? You know what, BOBBI Boss? I love y'all. Why do we have such an abusive relationship with one another? What is this? Y'all, I can't. I don't even know how I feel about this wig, except for the fact that she tangles a bit. I just don't get it. How we keep coming back to these same issues with Bobbi Boss. Like, are you over it? Because I kind of am. And I'm kind of feeling like we was almost there, y'all. We was almost there with Bobbi Boss. And I slapped this thing up on my head. They literally made this unit for me. They heard me complaining about not doing no goddamn lace up on my head, me and baby hairs, because I hate to cut them in. And they created a unit for me, and she still ain't right. So, all in all though, I would buy this unit. I would buy her, and I would buy her. You see how she's tangling on the inside though? Do you think the color had something to do with it? Jump down and let me know if you think that the color of a unit has something to do with whether or not it tangles or not, because I think it kind of does. So I might give them the benefit of the doubt on this. And because this is also a wavy unit, she's a thinner, she's like a medium density. She's not too thin, not too thick. And I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt because it's a wavy unit. And y'all know I don't give Bobbi Boss not near room, okay? Because y'all been around too long, and them Bob Jones be extra on point. So I done gave y'all enough neck for right now. I'm gonna jump off, and if you guys have not already, like, subscribe, comment, come on back, hang out with your girl, okay? Get into this Bobbi Boss unit. It might just be the hair color, y'all. Buy this unit. I like it. From here, So Fly Shop. Buy it from them too. If you want to buy it, buy it from them. And I'll see you guys later. Sorry, my ears itching. Bye!